Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and today what we're going to be doing is making another addition to our Excel book here. We're going to be making a savings calculator or a loan like basically saying, you can enter in a certain amount of money and it will tell you how much it would take to make that or how much you can save within a certain amount of time. So we're just going to change this to savings calc right here. What we're going to do is the amount, period, per month. So we're going to put monthly. Your average check, paydays per month. The average, that you spend in bills each month. Then amount you can earn in the allotted time, amount left over afterwards, and then how long it will take you at your current rate, the current amount that you get per check. Then underneath it, we're going to make another one for months, average check, paydays, average bills again, monthly, and then how much you could save. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and expand these out a little. Okay, so we're going to get this value, which is the only one we need to get from our other spreadsheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to push enter, go to check, and then we're going to click the average check and then press enter. Then it'll auto put the information there, and then we can just set this equal to C4, or no, C2, sorry. And then, it just makes it a little easier. Okay, now, whoops. We're going to go ahead and do our little calculations. So what we're going to do is amount you earn is going to be equal to, the period, which is B2. Then we're going to times it by C2, and then times that by D2. And then subtract all of that by E2. And so when we put in, so it's going to be over 12 months. And then we have like 2 paydays per month. Say we do 100 bills per month on average, and then it will calculate all of that for us. Oh, we actually also need E2 times by C2, or E2. Or no, times by B2, sorry. Then push enter. There, that will get us more accurately. And then what we're going to do for leftover is it's going to be equal to A2 minus F2. So if we put in, like I want to save $4,000, then it's going to say this is the amount you can earn, and this is how much left you need to save to get to that marking point. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to set this equal to A2 divided by, I'm checking my formula. Oh. Okay. So it's equal to A2 divided by C2 times D2. If I did that right. That's what I have over here. And then you want it set as a general number. And, we'll just check to see if that's right. So that's like 77 times, so that'd be like 208 right there. Or 209. This is following PEMDAS. Don't know if it is. There we go. There we go. That'll get us there, right? So it should be 19 times 104.99 times 2 times 12. See, and that gives us actually over the estimated rate. So, yeah, there we go. And now for this one, what we're going to do is average bills monthly. Now, how much you can save? Actually, let's move this down so it looks a little bit nicer. What we're going to do is this is going to be equal to E2, or no, sorry. It's going to be equal to A5 times B5 times C5, and then we're going to put those in parentheses here. And we're going to subtract it by D5 times A5. And what we actually forgot to put into here is to subtract this right here by E2 times B2. Or how could we do this? We actually subtract this total just by E2. It's kind of confusing working around in that, right? That's not right. Well, nonetheless, that'll just get you in the ballpark of where you could get. It's not that accurate, but it will get you in the ballpark, which is all that's important, right? Anyways, so with this, what we're going to do is you can type in like, I want to save over 4 months. I have 2 paydays, and, I have, like $20. Or $20 I spend each month. So that will tell you how much I could save. And, so with average bills monthly as well, you could include your, like, the average amount you spend every, every paycheck or whatever, or not every paycheck, every month. So say on average I spend $600 a month, like, that would actually end me up in the negatives because I don't make enough to spend. So like really like 100 a month, and then it will calculate all that for you. So there you go. What I did is, when I did that, just change these to calculations, and then I put this as a calculation as well. Then I kind of left the others as normals, just to remind me these are manual inputs, and then these will be calculated. So, it'll take that and calculate everything for you. So now, if I go in here and, I'm just going to manually say that I make 600 or 6,000 a check, which would be great, This should be updating too. Oh, it's going by net, that's right. So if I change this actually to say 6,000, then it'll go in here, and it'll change those numbers automatically, and it'll be like, so leftover, we should change that actually. Change it to be F2 minus A2. And you want that number to be positive, we can change these to say, for accounting, there, and there, so we can check the math down here too, just manually input it, just so you guys can see what's going on. Then we'll end the video. So, so 6,000, times it by 4, right? And then times that by 2. And subtract that by 100 times 4. And we get, 47. And we get the same number. So our math is good. So that's good. And we can remove some of these decimals by going right here, or you could change it right in here to number, and it would automatically do that. Anyways, there you go. That's the tutorial for today. There will be daily tutorials for this for a little bit while longer. Not for Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, but we will be returning on Monday with another tutorial. So if you enjoyed this one and the other ones, be sure to stick around for some more. And again, there is a clean copy of this document in the description below, so enjoy that, and enjoy knowing how to use it. That's why I'm doing the tutorials, how to make it for, so you know how to input data into it and everything. Anyways, see you in the next tutorial, or in another video if you choose to go visit one of those. See ya.